guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about the day and night cream from Avia Skincare. But before we jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do a lot of video reviews and tutorials, so check out those past videos. They are there for you guys. Alright, so really quickly, this is a sponsored video. Just because it's a sponsored video doesn't mean that it's going to reflect my opinion of these products. These are my 100% honest opinion, and that is it. It does not matter if this was sent to me or not. This is my 100% opinion, and that's that. Alright, so really quickly, so this is what the packaging looks like. So this is the night cream packaging, and it's super clean, sophisticated. Love everything about it. Look at it. It's very clean. And then the day packaging, as you can see, it's so clean as well. So this is what the packaging looks like. So the packaging of the day cream looks absolutely beautiful. It's in this nice plastic bottle, and the cap is rose gold, and it has a nice pump in it. So I really like how this is just, you know, super luxe when you feel it, and this comes in 1.7 ounces or 50 ml, and this is made in Austin, Texas, and it has a 12-month shelf life in it. So this is what the consistency looks like. But when you apply this in your face, it does not look like that. It blends into your skin really beautifully. Just so you guys know, I do have dry skin, and I have been using this product for, I would say, about 2.5 weeks now since I received it, and I started using it a lot. And I gotta say that I've seen a difference with the way my skin feels, and also I use this every day underneath my makeup. I just absolutely love the way my foundation applies under this, and adding this to it made it even more special, I would say. And it feels really nice on the skin. It plumps up your skin super nicely. It made it really, you know, like nice and bright and healthy looking. So I absolutely love it, and it does not dry my skin whatsoever. It's not sticky at all. It's not, you know, it doesn't linger throughout the day. So, it does have a little bit of a scent to it, but it's very clean. If you do have sensitivity to smell, I don't think this is gonna bother you because it's very, very light and super clean. Alright, so moving on to the night cream. This is what the night cream looks like. So again, it's a very, very luxe packaging, and this one is a glass packaging. So this one comes with 1.7 ounces or 50 ml again, and this one has a 12-month shelf life in it, also made in Texas. So this one includes a vitamin A in it, and the back here says, say hello to the skin of your dreams with our advanced night moisturizer. Our exclusive blend of peony, turmeric, and neem extract combined with vitamin A provides unprecedented overnight hydration and renewal without imitation, no matter your skin tone. For skin you love when you wake up, apply nightly. So I've also been using this for, I would say, the same amount of time that I've been using this one, and I really like it also. I do think that it does a great job with really hydrating my skin, especially at nighttime. It's kind of like a mask. When you apply this, it's super thick. So this is what the consistency looks like. So it's super, super thick, and it feels really hydrating. So I would say if you do have a dry skin, this is definitely something that I would recommend. So that's what it looks like. And applying this at night, I do feel that it doesn't sit on top. It really just does a great job with like soaking my skin with so much hydration in there that when I wake up in the morning, I do feel like princess that has that nice, beautiful skin. So that's what it looks like when it's applied on. And as you can see, again, this is without and this is with the product. And as you can see, this side looks really plump and this side looks more blah. So yeah, I mean, I would recommend these two products, and it's not like I just used this yesterday and I'm recommending it to you. I've been using it for about 2.5 weeks now, and I absolutely love both of these products. These, I would say though, is expensive. They're $110 for each one of these, I think. But if you do have the money for it, definitely splurge on skincare, because that is the foundation of having a good makeup, is good skin. And when you apply your foundation, you will see the difference if you have like that nice smooth canvas to your face, you know what I mean? So I absolutely love this. Thank you so much, Avia Skincare, for sponsoring me, and I will see you guys again next time, and I hope you guys love this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!